All right, so look, here's where we're getting messed up at, right? So we have a car that seems as if it's not getting enough voltage from the battery to start the car. Trying to start the car? You see that right there? So look, normally when you get that, somebody would think, oh, well, the battery's bad. No, the battery's not bad. Check the voltage right here. We got 12 volts at the battery, right? What we don't have right here, you see this? This is the cable that's coming from the starter. The starter's not getting no voltage at all. So look, this is what we do right here. Put the jump box on the starter cable. Go ahead, try to start it. So pretty much, this is the fuse right here. So what happens is somebody tried to jump this car, and they might have crossed the cables and popped the fuse inside of this terminal. So this thing just needs a battery terminal fuse. So the proper name for this is the battery current sensor, and it's real simple. We're just going to install it real quick right here. Go. So now we have our battery current sensor installed. We're just going to check voltage to make sure this car starts. Battery voltage, battery voltage, battery voltage. Let's see if it starts.
Here she go. I think you did pretty good. We're going to get more camera time. Thanks for watching.